Chill, baby, we back, man. So today, man, I have to be honest. Today's one of those days, man, where you feel a little burdened down, a little stressed, man, in your life. So I said, man, let me go release some endorphins. So today's workout, strength and conditioning, 10 burpees followed by a 60-yard sprint, walk back, 9 burpees, 60-yard sprint, walk back, 8 burpees, 60-yard sprint. You get the point, man. All things through Christ who strengthens me, baby. Let's go, let's get it up.